I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Sulynn. I'm very excited to hear with Mr. Logan, CEO of BitHarvest, and also Jacob, Market Advisor at SafeX. We will unpack a new partnership, what it means for the users, and how CeFi and DeFi can lift each other up. Logan and Jacob, thanks for joining us.
Hey Sulynn, hey Jacob, great to be here. Great to see everyone here.
Hi everyone, good evening, good morning. I'm very happy to be here and pleasure to be here. Thank you.
All right, let's ease in with this headline. What is the news and what is the first thing the community might notice over the next few weeks? I also love to quick snapshot to all the newcomers can follow along easily.
All right, so today we are extremely excited to announce a partnership with SafeX, one of the world's industry-leading exchanges. So this partnership and collaboration actually expands our BitHarvest ecosystem beyond just mining and infrastructure into high integrity liquidity and DeFi rails. Together, we are aligning exchange execution with on-chain finance to actually deliver deeper markets, also better pricing, and a transparent value flow for users.
All right, okay. Yeah, okay, for our meeting SafeX for the first time, could you give us a quick intro, what you focus and what you are known for it? And because our audience really cares about asset safety and trust, could you also touch on the treasury practices and also the licensing in a way that easily to understand?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for this question. So SafeX is a global digital asset exchange that focuses on perpetual futures, or as we call perpetuals, and spot markets. So this is the focus. And it's built for institutional grade performance. So we have all of the features that you need. So low latency matching, 24/7 risk controls, and transparent market operations. And our edge here is very simple. Is a credible market structure plus compliance that you can trust. We are in crypto for a few years, so everybody knows that all these ingredients are super important. So on the treasury and asset safety, that's something that everybody here and everywhere is really interested in. Client assets are segregated and held one-to-one, so there is no rehypothecation. We also use the what we call a cold hot wallet architecture. Also, we enforce withdrawal controls and multi-sig, so multiple signatures, and publish regular proof of reserve or attestations. So that's something that we have seen in the industry. It's basically the gold standard, right? And so that our users can independently verify the holdings, right? So then when we talk about licensing and compliance, so SafeX operates via regulated entities in the key jurisdictions. So for example, we hold a US MSB license and FinTracked MSB Canadian license. With the KYC and so know your customer and AML, anti-money laundering, right? The market abuse monitoring and audit ready processes. The goal is to have institution grade or institution level protection with the speed traders expect, so that we can really collaborate with BitHarvest on DeFi. We're also building on a regulated, well-capitalized foundation here.
Wow,
Great.
Great insights, man. Maybe to add into context, right? SafeX is currently a top 50 global crypto exchange and holds over 100 million in the financial reserve.
Whoa.
100 million is indeed an amazing amount. And this is the exact kind of partner we will want as we expand our BitHarvest ecosystem.
Yeah, that's right, Logan. So SafeX, is climbing rapidly in the rankings that everybody knows, and we expect to reach the top 30 within the next few months. as we scale markets and continue strengthening our compliance and treasury profile. So, we are in the bull market now, and, the rankings is not set in stone. So we are definitely getting there.
Wow, that's great. Thanks for sharing us about these SafeX strengths. We move to the next topic. I would like to ask both of you guys, Jacob and also Logan. Okay, so it's about the SafeX platform. If let's say for the user who want to try the SafeX today, can you walk us through your core products like spot tradings, perpetual trading, and also staking or earnings, and how they will how you guys can support BitHarvest users, support BitHarvest communities. Yeah, maybe you can.
It's my pleasure. So absolutely, I can share more on this particular topic. So as far as we are talking about spot trading, I have mentioned before, we are running institutional grade matching with a tight spread, so everybody knows that the spread between the bid and ask should be as low as possible, so that we can get the best price. And there is also a robust market making. That's quite important for a lot of tokens right now. The market making is a key. We're also very excited to confirm that the BTA USDT pair is scheduled to list in early September. So today we are August 28th, right? So early September, we're very, very close to that date. And this marks also the very start of our partnership with BitHarvest. And we're also coordinating in terms of liquidity providing to ensure that there is seamless liquidity and execution from the get-go, from day one. Then when we are talking about perpetuals, traders can get high performance ordered matching with responsible leverage options, both isolated and cross-margin and transparent funding. And as I mentioned earlier, there is 24/7 risk controls. So it's an ideal venue to pair with BitHarvest DeFi rails. And then the last point I would like to touch upon is the staking or earning. So we offer curated programs with clear terms and flexible durations to suit different risk profiles. And while our collaborations with BitHarvest aligns on-chain activity, also with perpetual trading benefits.
That's great. Thanks for sharing. And also, I would like we move to the next one. Is talk about why these collaborations. So for this section, I would like to ask our Mr. Logan, help us to connect the dots. Why SafeX and why now? If the goal is a simple user journey, how did this partnership turn exchange activity in on-chain value without making things complicated? Yeah, maybe Logan, you can try to tell to our BitHarvest community.
Sure. Okay, that's a very good question. Okay, centralized exchange has always been in our development roadmap. So with this deep collaboration, we are actually building a flywheel for our BTH. So you can think of how Bybits matter. So similarly, SafeX will be one of our core platform empowering BTH through the BTH USDT listing, coordinated with liquidity programs, and also tight integration with our DeFi modules. So users can actually move seamlessly between spots, perps, and on-chain utility.
Okay, thank you. And also, next one we're going to talk about the collaborations and community synergy. Okay, I love the flywheel ideas for the different type of user, miners, like traders, LP, and also newcomers. What does day one actually feel like? Could you paint a small user journey so people can imagine themselves in it, Logan?
Simple, maybe just one-stop ecosystem, which is like mining, GameFi, DeFi, spot, and perps all live on a single rail, so our community can actually get a value captured without hopping venues. We are actually building for users who want less noise and more signal, like mining, earning, trading, and participating in one whole flywheel together.
How about Jacob? You can share.
Yeah, so in terms of the collaboration and community from our side is, the platform can bring execution and rig systems, and our partners in BitHarvest, they bring community and product velocity. And when you put these two, ingredients, or quite four actually, together, you can get liquidity and culture. So, in crypto, we all know that culture is very important. We will always keep supporting BitHarvest roadmap, because this is not the end. This is just a beginning of a long and exciting journey, so that our community can compound in terms of its quality and quantity as well.
Whoa, that's great. That's great. Okay, we move to the partnership detail between the BitHarvest with the SafeX. Okay, Logan, what's make this be so-called genuine strategy? Could you share how the revenue alignments will show up in the practice, and how user might see or feel those benefit? And Jacob, from SafeX side, what are you committing operationally so the CFI between the DeFi looks stay smooth? Yeah, Logan.
Okay, maybe I will take that first. So maybe pointers. Firstly, I would say is our revenue alignment. So for BitHarvest, we'll always reserve a portion of SafeX perpetual trading revenue to reward our ecosystem. You can think of it as a programmatic buybacks and community incentives. The second one is probably the utility at this age. So you see, in our upcoming DeFi modules, community members can actually claim perpetual trading credits simply by participating in our protocol activities. So it's like you can actually trade where you earn, and you can actually earn where you actually build.
Yeah, great. Jacob, what is
that's it's a great idea. It's very bold, and that's the point that we also from CFI are looking for. So on our side, we are going to support BitHarvest on the exchange tech. So keep our platform user friendly, because we are in 2025 in crypto, and the user friendliness is a very important ingredient for attracting more and more users, because we know that the users that are kind of what we would call tech savvy, they already came to the stage some time ago. And so that we will support this part so that the whole loop can run very smoothly. And we could call this CFI DeFi flywheel. So, maybe years ago, people thought that CFI is also going to disappear, but I don't think that the collaboration between those two is the best of both worlds. And so this is where volume really fuels rewards, and then the rewards will fuel further participation, and then we come back to the participation brings the volume. So it's really a loophole.
Oh, great. Okay, thanks for the laying out that about this information, and it's very helpful for all of us. Okay, now we talk about the current state and what is the next. Okay, where are we in the rollout right now, and what should people expect next? If you can outline, both of you, share more information during the phase 1 and what's follow. What is the next? What is the follows? For can plan ahead. Yeah.
Right, so we are in phase 1. We are still at the start. So phase 1 is more like token listing. In parallel, BitHarvest and SafeX development teams are co-building new products that will roll out in different stages. So what I can say today is simple. Stack BTH. These are the fuels to actually ignite the flywheel as we move into subsequent phases.
Yeah, and our team is really moving quite fast right now to bring this to the market, because the market is doing quite well right now as well. And we believe that this year 2025 2026 is a defining cycle for DeFi and altcoins, and we are really excited to onboard such partner, our partnership with BitHarvest, and to deliver products that are credible, economics that is transparent, and experience that is really great for the users.
That's great. All right, it's very, very wonderful. Okay, so to recap, what I'm hearing for this BDH match with USDT on the SafeX kick-off phase 1. Okay, from then we will see exchange activities flow into on-chain value through the buyback credit, and also clear dashboard that feel through full and very user-centered. Okay, may I invite each of you to share brief closing remark, what people can do today and what to watch next.
So as I have mentioned, in my previous answers, like we here at SafeX, we are here to set a new bar for the exchange protocol collaboration. So that's a collaboration that has been here for a long time. And the important things is institution-grade safeguards, proof you can verify, and speed you can feel. So all of these ingredients are absolutely the basic that we will want to bring to the table. And as a top 50 exchange that is pushing for top 30, we will keep listing, relevant, spread tight, and risk system transparent, projects so that both builders and traders and your average users can really scale with conviction and trust in what we do.
Okay. Yeah.
On my side, I would say this is how our BTH flywheel will start. So phase 1, BTH USDT spot on SafeX. And after that, we will actually roll out features that actually route exchange activity into on-chain value, such as like staking credits, problematic buybacks, and public dashboards you can actually track in real time. All these are amazing features, right? And if you are a trader or you are a community builder or LP, this is your on-ramp, okay? I will actually advise you to acquire BTH, participate in different kind of DeFi, and help govern what's going to come next. My message always stays the same. Stack BTH.
Oh, great. All right, perfect. Thanks for both of you guys for sharing such great informations. And again, thank you, Logan and Jacob, to everyone also watching this AMA. Okay, so first here, I would like to tell every one of you, please prepare for the BTH USDT listing of SafeX during the phase 1, and also follow the BitHarvest and SafeX on official channel for timelines, eligibility, and participations guides. Join the community call as we ship dashboard and release the next phase. We appreciate you being here. See you on the launch date and see you on chain. Thank you. Thank you for tonight. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.